I just found a cute new cup. It's from Food Lion, $3.99, BPA free, double walled. It looks like Santa. They had other ones, green ones that look like elves, but the last cup, excuse me, that I got was green. So I decided to get a red one this time. And it's super cute, so you guys are going to be seeing me use this for the rest of Vlogmas. Breakfast of the day. If you get the Hawaiian Punch water flavor packets, the blue one is the best. And it's sugar-free. I didn't even know that until just now. But these ones are the best. My hair has no volume today, guys. None. I just brushed it too. And nothing. But we're being very comfy today. We got an oversized shirt and some sweatpants. I'm not going anywhere today, so we're being comfy. All these Christmas movies are so cute, but I think I'm gonna watch The Princess Switch because it came out last year and I watched it last year, but I want to watch it again. So let's watch The Princess Switch. Cookies and milk always make watching Christmas movies so much better. So far, I have like no footage for today's vlog, which some days will be like that. Some days will just be like, you know, normal, like just be like sitting here talking to you guys. And then other days will be very Christmassy and fun and longer than others, but you know, that's just how daily vlogging goes. So. Okay, so I think I'm about to go out to the car and get a box out of the trunk so I can pack a little bit more. I know I put packing in the vlog yesterday, but I don't know, I just want to pack again. So I'm about to be freezing for a second. So let's just go get this box. Ooh, it's very windy. Hi. It's windy. No. I'm getting... Oh, I guess they're in the other car. I was gonna get a box, but I guess they're in the other car. Bye. These look so good.
No, not really.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
They do look good. Mmm.
Delicious, huh?
Mm-hmm. If you guys like pumpkin pie, you should get these little Debbie cakes because they literally taste like pumpkin pie flavored cake. It's probably the nutmeg, but they're so good. Okay, so I have another box, and I think I'm gonna put in some of the stuff that I originally packed in this plastic thing. Also with like accessories that I'm not using, like these purses I'm not using right now, any like hats and stuff I'm not using right now. So let's get started. I say that like 5 times a day. We're gonna record this time lapse with just my string lights on because it's a vibe. Alright, y'all. I had to turn the light back on. It's literally like 5:10 right now, 5:15, and it's so dark already. That kind of makes me really sad, but I'm going to show you what I packed in this box so far. Right here, I have 2 smaller boxes that just have random stuff. Here, I have accessories that I decided not to use right now, so I can pack them away. And then the same with the purses right here. There's still room in this box, and I don't know what else. I think I might put my robes in there with in that box with those things, because I don't use it on a daily basis. So I think I'm gonna put my robes in there. Let me grab those real quick. Packing a little bit every day until the majority of it needs to be packed. It honestly feels so good. It feels like I accomplished something. Like, some of the room is already starting to look empty. Like, oop, there it is. Those two spots right there. It's just, if you guys have ever moved, you guys know the feeling. And that, what the hell is this little hair doing? Anyways, catch you later. I haven't written in my notebook since Vlogmas Day 2. So I just checked off 3 and 4 because those are uploaded, and then 5 is going up today. As you can tell, I kind of got lazy with how I was writing everything. Alright, so open this, and then there's something I have to show you when you're done.
Okay. What's that? Oh, I almost broke it. And it is, of course, Reese's Pieces.
Okay, look.
I feel like all the Reese's, like the cups, are
Or at
gonna
the
be
top.
like at the top and or somewhere at the bottom.
Look.
There's a word search.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I knew that.
Oh, that's what I meant. I meant you knew that already?
Yeah, I had it on the bus. What's this?
I
Oh,
don't
that's
know.
just a thing.
But I was looking at this while I was waiting for you, because you were in here and then
Right.
you left to go talk to Dad.
Toys right there.
But
Hershey's
I was
right
looking
there.
at it and I was like, there's a word search on the back.
Yeah. Well, if you want to do it, you can. You can also have those.
Thanks.
No problem.
If I can get it open. You should not do that at home, kids. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Vlogmas Day 5. Come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6. I hope you enjoyed. See you in my next one.